Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are having a good day. If not, then this video will make your day good. Today my mother is going to be preparing special spicy keema. Let's see how is it made. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ingredients are half kg keema, 3 bell peppers. You can take 3 colors: green, yellow and red. Half teaspoon crushed red pepper, 2 pieces of cinnamon, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin seed zira. Also you can say 2 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 sliced onions, 10 to 12 pieces of garlic, 5 tablespoon tomato, ginger, green chili paste. You can find the link for that paste in the description below, the recipe of that. Now you will start by putting the keema into the karahi, and you will add half a cup water and all the ingredients except the tomato paste. You will now cover the karahi with a lid, and you will keep the cover until the keema is perfectly cooked. Keema is also said as minced mutton, so you can take minced mutton or keema, that's the same thing. Now as you can see, the keema has been perfectly cooked. Now you will add the tomato, green chili and ginger paste to the keema, and you will mix well. And now you can see that the keema's color has been changed and it looks so yummy. So you can add 4 tablespoon oil to it, and you can mix it well. You will keep cooking the keema until the oil leaves the keema. Now you can see as the oil is leaving the keema, you can see that in the bottom of the karahi. Now you can see that all the oil has left the keema. Now you will add the bell peppers to the keema, and you will keep mixing it for 10 minutes. As you can see the results, they look so yummy and tasty. I hope all of you will like the recipe after you cook it at your home or you make it at your home. I hope all of you will like the taste of it. And as always, please like the video, share the video and the channel, subscribe to the channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.